What's up, everybody? I got some scary news to report. WWE star Road Dogg Jesse James has just been hospitalized after suffering a heart attack. His wife says that tests are scheduled. I will link the full TMZ story in the description below so you can go read it for yourself. But it starts out by saying WWE star Brian James, aka Road Dogg, is bedridden in a hospital after suffering a heart attack. This according to his wife, who's asking for thoughts and prayers. Tracy James broke the scary news today, Saturday, March 27th, saying Road Dogg was having a number of tests done in the hospital to confirm what exactly had happened to him. This after returning home from work Thursday night and feeling terrible from what she says was likely a heart attack. She posted these two updates as well, which I will post up here for you to see. This is directly from her account. I want to thank everyone for their prayers and texts. Brian most likely suffered a heart attack late Thursday night after returning from Orlando. He has had tests run and we're currently waiting for the results. He also has seen a kidney specialist and will have a stress test done. He's always been on blood pressure meds for high blood pressure. Please just pray all the tests come back with something we can fix. I'm a total wreck, but I'm trying so hard to be positive. Please pray for Brian. He feels horrible, and for God to please heal my husband so he can come home. Thank you all so much. She then goes on to say, just an update. The doctor came in, kidneys came back clear, and a heart cath is scheduled for Monday. They will determine then what's to be done. Please continue to pray for him and his doctors and our family. Thank you all. We love you all. And you can go read all of that for yourself on the TMZ link, which is in the description. But some scary stuff for Road Dogg. Just an absolute legend in WWE. The New Age Outlaws, D-Generation X, went on to be a WWE writer, agent, everything. He has done it all in the professional wrestling business, and I sure hope that he recovers fast and is able to get back to doing what he loves. My thoughts and prayers are with his loved ones, his family, his wife at this time.